I think what really matters for me in relationships is to really have relationships that are real, that are genuine, and it is impossible to really develop those if you are not true to yourself, or if you are not letting other people be true to themselves. But this is something that I found that as I meditate, and as years go by, that one of the most important benefits that happen is that you become a little bit more aware of yourself and more true to yourself. And so what that means is that you learn to really feel what are the things that you need to do and you have to do, and you feel what things are important to you and what things are not so important to you, as opposed to all the things that you thought were important, or all the things that your parents told you were important, or all the things that your society tells you are important. So once you sort of cherish that awareness of yourself and what is important to yourself, that really helps to sort of guide the relationships, right? And not to let other people manipulate you in many ways, right? And this is what in families we do a lot, because we know each other so well, and we know our weaknesses and our strengths the most. And when we are in a bad state, we just sort of try to poke somebody in their weak spot, right? So one of the aspects is to let yourself be yourself, and not to let other people really get at you. But the other aspect is to let other people be what they are, and to sort of try and prevent yourself from manipulating other people, and from poking your family members into the spots that will get them, but is not really needed. And so I found that my relationships with my family members have become much more healthy in many ways. And I think also my family members do recognize that. My family members don't meditate, but they recognize that the meditation has actually improved a lot of our relationships, and has removed a lot of these patterns that we used to have that were not helpful at all.